Hello children, I am your Jyotsna Miss. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to learn the lesson number 4, a real patriot. Many national leaders gave their precious life to protect the country and gain its independence. Every second of their life was for the love and development of our country. For example, Mahatma Gandhi, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose and many more known and unknown patriots have shed their life for the country. We as students today, what should we do for our country's development? To live a honest, disciplined, obedient, helping others and by sincerely doing our duty. We can live a life of good citizen and work for the development of our country with patriotism. Today, we will learn about one such patriot who works for the development of our country in this lesson. Let us read A Real Patriot. 3 men were cutting stones at a factory site. A wise man who was observing them for a long time. Children, wise means a person who knows what is right. Felt that all of them were committed workers. Committed means willing to work hard and give your energy and time to something. He wanted to know if all the 3 had the same ideas. He went to the first worker and asked him, "What are you doing, my friend?" The disturbed worker answered, "Can't you see?" said the man. "I am cutting stones." "Why are you doing it?" The man patiently said, "The contractor." Contractor means a man who supplies building materials. The contractor asked me to do so. I get money for this. I see. You work for the wages. Later, the wise man went to the second man and asked him, "Why are you cutting the stones, friend?" "To earn a living." Children, earn a living means get money to live. If I earn, I can look after my family well. I have a big family to care for and my wife is sick. There was no enthusiasm in what he said. "You mean you do this for the sake of your family?" Finally, expecting a similar reaction, he went to third man and asked him, "Hello friend, what are you doing?" The man replied with a smile, "Sir, I am working for my country." "For your country? How can it be? Our government is building a factory here. Many people get jobs. It means that their children will be educated. The younger minds build a better society. Thus, our nation will develop." The wise man was surprised to notice that a simple man was able to think so high. He said, "You are a real patriot." Children, develop means to grow or expand. Patriot means a person who loves his country. Let us understand. Answer the following questions. What were the workers doing? The workers are cutting stones. Who spoke to the workers? A wise man spoke to the workers. What was the government building? The government is building a factory. Who is the real patriot? The third man is the real patriot. Match the following by drawing lines. He worked for his family. The second worker. He worked for the nation. The third worker. The real patriot. He worked for wages. The first worker. Join the suitable word balloons. One is done for you. Doctor, teacher, contractor, driver, painter. Let us write. Complete the following passage using the words in the cloud below. Smile, wise, factory, cutting, nation, going to. 3 men were cutting stones. A wise man went to them. When he talked to the third worker, he replied with a smile. Sir, I am working for the nation. The government is building a factory here. Fill in the blanks with correct letters and say them loud. Example: M-O-N-E-Y, money. F-A-C-T-O-R-Y, factory. C-U-T-T-I-N-G, cutting. V-I-L-L-A-G-E, village. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y, country. Thank you children for joining my English class. Take care. Bye.